Hi everyone. This week we are going to be talking about how to solve word problems, specifically multiplication and division word problems. I know you guys have already gone over the cube strategy, but I just wanted to review that a little bit before we dive into the multiplication and division word problems. So C is to circle the numbers, U, underline the question, B, box the keywords, E, eliminate any information that's not needed and evaluate the problem. S, solve and check your answer. We're also going to talk about some of the key words that can help you identify whether you're going to multiply or divide in the word problem. So some of the multiplication keywords are multiply, equal groups, times, product of, per, each when you're not given the whole total number. Times, product of, which I have on there twice by accident, and total. If we look at the division keywords, we have divide, average, evenly, and each. Now, this each is when you are given the total number in the word problem. There's equal groups, separate, share, and quotient. So those are some keywords that you can look out for in the word problems to help you identify whether you're going to multiply the numbers or divide the numbers. And here is a chart just to show. This one has the addition and subtraction ones, but we're just looking at multiplication and division ones for this week. So let's jump into a practice problem. It says a store owner was buying uniforms for his employees. If each of his 3 stores needed 8 uniforms for his workers, how many uniforms will he need? Well, if we're using the cube strategy, we're going to start with C, which is circling the numbers. So that would be 3. So he has 3 stores. Even though it's written out, it's still a number. So you got to watch for those. And 8. So 3 and 8 are the numbers. Next on the cube strategy is U. We're going to underline the question, which here is how... Oh, my line's getting all wonky. How many uniforms will he need? That is what we are trying to figure out and solve. Next on the cubes is boxing the key words. A store owner was buying uniforms for his employees. If each, I remember talking about each, so each is a key word. If each of his 3 stores needed 8 uniforms for his workers. So that is the key word, each. Now, I'm going to look at this and I can kind of visualize 3 stores with 8 uniforms in each one. So I have the visualization here, the 3 stores with the 8 uniforms in each. Or you could count all the smiley faces or all the workers in the uniforms because that's the same as multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. So the equation would be 8 times 3. Which equals 24. So 24 uniforms is what he would need. So, and we didn't have to, let me just backtrack a little bit. We didn't have to eliminate any information because we used it all. So, and we solved our answer, and you can check your answer by drawing the picture and counting if you wanted to check your answer. So that's a multiplication word problem. Let's move on to this practice problem, and it says, Rookie's pet store has 24 tropical fish. They keep 3 fish in each tank. How many fish tanks are there in the pet store? Okay, so let's use our cube strategy here and start with C. We're going to circle the numbers. So I see 24 and 3 here. 24 and 3 are the numbers. Next in the cube strategy is underlining the question. And the question is, how many fish tanks are in the pet store? B is boxing the key words. So let's see. Rookie's pet store has 24 tropical fish. We're going to use each. Continue watching the videos to find out how to solve this problem.